you ever been to Mexico? I wanna leave
Ohio looks the same throughout the whole entire state.
the why or how. I wanna feel the tequila sun shining on my face.
We have a ride.
I wanna see that bikini tan.
Yay! Food. Megan's taking a picture of her food. Your friend?
Here's my husband in his natural habitat.
Let's look outside.
I thought this
What a lovely view!
I thought this was a
Vlog. Okay. Megan. Grab a flat cart, but it's flat, Megan. About to leave. Megan's over here. I don't know where Maya is. Oh, I see Maya. She walked up. This lighting is great, right? And there's plants, which make it even better. This is the lot. What's it say? Welcome to Ikea. Okay, behind me. How are you? I made this vlog shorter than I should have. But whatever. Megan, I feel like you're silently judging me.
I'm not. I'm trying to back it up so I can view my pictures and it's not letting me.
4.5 back home. Woohoo!